Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can update information about your language skills in your Indeed job seeker profile in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, this is how it works. Head over to Indeed.com, log into your account and click into your profile icon in the top right and select, let me find the profile here at the top of that menu. So here, next on your profile overview, click into qualifications, and here at the very bottom you will see this option, add languages. Click into it or into that plus button here and select the languages you speak on fluent level, for example, or intermediate, beginner. So select one of these four, and you may add more languages you speak, for example, on a native or fluent level or intermediate by clicking into this button. So let me add another one, Alemano or German, and you can also go with different or with variations of the given language they speak, for example, in different countries like Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and even sign language. So go with one of these here, fluent, and save, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.